Hey y'all, welcome back to George Cooking for the Soul. Today I'm gonna make some onions, some sausage, onions, and peppers. Okay, I I have the whole entire box of Georgia Boy smoked sausage. And in this frying pan, I have it just coated with some oil. I'm gonna pour everything in and just let them just simmer on low. Sausage, bell pepper, and onion. I'm going to season up my vegetables in a few minutes, but I'll be back for that. This is what the sausage and pepper and onion looking like. And onions are ready. I'm going to dip up some. Now with this dish here, you can eat it over rice. You would just eat it on the side with whatever your vegetables are. You can put it in your hot dog bun. It doesn't matter. Just eat it any way you want to eat it. Okay, sausage and potatoes. You know, sausage is not potato, but you could put potatoes in it. The sausage and onion are good, and they would go real good with my stewed potato. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And after watching this video, you like it, give me a thumbs up, okay? And I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.